Hi friends, welcome back to G Kitchen. Today G will cook head fish curry. Hope you friends can subscribe to this channel. If friends already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Let's see the ingredients. 2 head of fish and 2 slices cut mackerel fish. I will put for fish curry, and another fish on marinade half an hour with curry powder. I will fry it later. 200 gram ladyfinger, 1 big brinjal, 2 tomatoes, a few curry leaf, 1 red chili, 1 inch of ginger, 10 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, 100 ml Tamarind Juice, 1 tablespoon Fenugreek, 1 teaspoon Cummin, 1 teaspoon Coriander, 1 teaspoon Turmeric, 1 tablespoon chili powder, and 2 tablespoon fish curry powder. Let's recook. First of all, open the stove and make oil heat. After oil already heat, put the fish to fry. After fry, you put in the fish curry. Fish have to fry like mild only, because not need to very deep for fry. Only like mild fry only for a while, around 5 minutes. Already 5 minutes, so have to take out fish like mild only, because if put in the curry won't break. Use the same oil, have to fry lady's finger and brinjal. First of all, I fry lady's fingers first. Use the same oil. Already soft, can take out. Put the same place with the fish. Now I put brinjal to make a soft. The brinjal already fried, mild, and I take out, already cooked and soft. And use the same oil to fry. Just now the fish I marinate. Now I will be frying fish already marinate with the chili powder, turmeric, and salt. This fish I won't put inside the curry, just can eat with rice. Now the fish already cooked, and then now can take out and for the serve of the stove. And already cooked. Today G make head fish curry using a clay pot. And then first of all, open the stove and put the same oil. Just now I fried the fish around 3 tablespoons. The oil already boiled, so first of all put fenugreek sheets, and then put ginger already smashed, mix it, and then a garlic already cut slice, mix it, and also garlic already smashed, mix it, and put onion too. Make cooked lightly brown bit. The golden color, so I have to put a few curry leaf and mix it, and put some water, 1 cup of water. Make boil for a while. Now can put salt and all powders. Mix together, and curry powder too. This one fish curry powder. Mix it until the powders all melt. Can put Brinjal and Ladyfingers. Tamarind juice too, and then coconut milk. Friends, just now I forgot to tell you, 400 ml of coconut milk to curry that coconut milk, and make it boil, and then finally put the fried fish. See, the curry already boiled. Finally put red chili, head fish, and then 2 slices, and then tomato, and mix it. Wait for a few minutes, and then off the stove. Now can off the stove and ready for serve. Ta-da! Already done. Head fish curry. I hope friends will try this dish and enjoy. See you friends in next video. Thank you so much watching G Kitchen friends. Bye.